Hey everyone, today I am building a wooden Christmas tree collar. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I have 2x2s that I cut 8 pieces at 21 inches. And now I'm going to use my Kreg tool, which I already have it hooked up. I'm going to drill some pocket screw holes, and then I'm going to put the frame together with pocket screws. So these are all going to, they're just going to screw in, and I'm going to have them go like this. So I actually am only going to put pocket holes in 4 of the pieces, each end of 4 of the pieces, and then we'll put it together. I'll show you what that looks like. So here we go. I already have everything set up for the depth of my wood, which is the width of my wood is 1.5 inches. So here we go. One hole. And I'm gonna do 2 because I don't want any wobble on this. Okay, first one's done. Okay, so this is what the pocket screwed piece, the piece that I put the pocket holes in, this is what it looks like. You've got 2 on this end and 2 on this end. So now I'm going to do the pocket holes in the other 3 pieces that are going to have the holes, and then I'm going to pocket screw them to the pieces that don't have the pocket holes, and I will show you that in a minute. So now I'm attaching the pieces that I did the pocket holes in. I'm attaching those to the ones that don't have the pocket holes. I've already done one, so I can lift it and show you what I'm doing. So this is what it's going to look like. So now we'll put in the other one. Just like that. All done. Now we'll do the other side. Now we're moving on to building the walls of this box. Here is one of the frame pieces that I put together with the pocket screws. The other one's on the table now. And I have these low profile tongue and groove wood pieces that I cut. It was left over from a project that I did over the summer. All of this wood came out of my scrap wood pile because that's how I roll. So the tongue and groove wood, I'm going to put it together like this, and then I'm going to use my finish nailer and I'm going to nail it into the frame. I'm going to do all the way around, all 4 sides for this part, and then I'm going to put the top on and I'm going to finish nail that as well. So here I go. I have the finish nailing done on the box. I almost pulled this off to show you, but it took a little work to get it on there. So, so here we go. Okay, so now it's on, and I'm going to finish nail the tongue and groove boards to the top frame that I built. And then I am going to add corners. Now these corners are left over from a project I did here in my house. What I did to make these corners, I set my table saw at 1.25 inches up on the blade and the guide 1.25 inches out from the blade. And then I cut out, I don't know if you can see this, but I cut out the center of a 2x2. And that's how I made the corners. And like I said, these are just leftovers, so I'm going to cut them to size. I'm running out of light. So this will be the last thing I do for today, and then I'll finish the rest tomorrow and show you. But I'm gonna cut those corners to fit between the top and the bottom frames. So that's what I'm doing now. We're this far along in this project. I have the corners cut to size and placed. I did not attach them yet because I decided instead of nailing, because my nails are a little bit longer, so to nail it, I'd have to nail it through the front and the sides and then break them off on the inside. And I don't really want to go through all that, so I'm going to glue them. They're not structural, they're strictly aesthetic. And actually the corners look good without them. So I don't have to do it, but since they're cut and ready to go and I'm this far into it, I'm going to go with it. And I think they look nice. I think it brings a nice dimension between the width of these 2x2s and then these little tiny tongue and groove boards. I like how it kind of brings it out just a little bit more and it adds a little more dimension. So I'm going to glue those on, and then I'm going to stain. I have all of my stains custom mixed at Sherwin-Williams, so I don't have a stain color to tell you, but I'm going to stain them, and then that will be it. Hey everyone, this Christmas tree collar is finished, and I could not be happier with how it turned out. So now I'm gonna put it all together with my Christmas tree and I'll show you what that looks like. Thank you so much for joining me on this project. And if you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.